Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Nimra Tower, and today I am gonna tell you about an amazing app which will help your kids learn the hardest language easily. The app is Sindhi textbook for KG Nursery. So let me tell you how to download it. So first of all we have to open Play Store. Then we have to search here Sindhi textbook for KG Nursery. This is the app. So we will open it. It is already installed. Then open it. This is the introduction of makers, and here is the alphabet.
Alaf Akhe.
So it is with voice. It's amazing. So that's the app, and the very special thing is it's free of cost. So you must download it for your kids. It will help your kids learn in this pandemic situation. Thank you.